Hi guys, this is 2011 Kia Sorento. So this car had a problem is when you put the key on it, you can see the noise coming for the servo motor. It's coming in underneath. Okay guys, I off the bottom cover, so you can see the one servo motor, other one is in here. So I turn the ignition on. You can see the so you can see this servo motor is a jam, so we need to off this the brake foot brake pedal to the access that the servo motor. Okay guys, see off the pedal, all the bolts, you can take it out. So one clip in here, got to off that one. Okay, all off clips. Okay, light down like this. Okay, you can see the servo motor clearly. Again, I start the key on. It's jumping one teeth, I think the inside. Give you already off the wire connector. So when I screw off, okay, can take it out. So you can see the clearly. Okay, it's working. It's a little bit tight, it's not moving. Yeah, it's now moving. This one moving. Okay, when you put this one up side, you can turn this one all the way, and this one put down. We cannot move this one, it's not moving. When you put up, then we can move it. Okay guys, I dismantled the parts. You can see in here the wheels. This one is no any teeth broken, but I found the problem in this one. Is one teeth is broken. In one piece is broken, one teeth is coming in here. That's why it's making the clicking noise. So it's going like this way. It's going like this way. It's turning this one. this wheel is not, teeth is broken, it's all good. So problem is this one, we need to replace with the new one. Okay guys, I got the part in the wreckers. So this one was in the car, this one is a damaged one, the inside wheel. So I already got the part for the wreckers. This is the new one. The part numbers looks like it's same. So this one, now I'm going to put it in there. Okay guys, I'm going to install the new actuator. This one was like this one this way, this side, and this one down. Okay, you can see now after that. Okay, like that. Now I have to put the screw back in. Okay guys, we tied all the screws. Then put the connector back in. All good. Now you're going to on the ignition, put the key in. Okay, ignition on. Now it's no noise. I change the modes. Okay, it's working fine. All good. We're changing modes in here, pressing, and it's changing. All good. So then after you have to put back this pedal and the covers and everything. Okay guys, we installed the push brake pedal and tied the 12 bolts. Okay guys, finally we installed all the covers, and now it's no any ticking noise. All good. The mood is changing. Face, leg and face, legs. Okay, all good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.